Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, judge and their audience. My name is Nadira Alia. I'm a 4th grade student from Minwan, Manado. Today, in the storytelling competition about Academy 2026, I will tell a story that them good deeds for a better world with Islamic values. The title of my story is Learning as an Act of Worship. I live not far from the market and the mosque. Every morning, I go to school with my friends. We walk together and talk about our day. Sometimes I feel tired of studying. Sometimes I feel lazy and want to play instead. One day, after class, I asked my teacher a question. I asked, "Why do we have to study so hard?" My teacher looked at me and smiled. My teacher said, "Learning is a form of worship if we do it for Allah." Those words stayed in my heart. On my way home, I kept thinking about them. That night, I opened the Quran with my father. My father read a verse to me. "Read in the name of your Lord who created." This verse is from Surah Al-Alaq, verse 1. I learned that the first command in Islam is to read. Since that day, I changed my intention. Before studying, I say a short prayer. I say, "Bismillah, Ya Allah, make my knowledge useful." When I read books, I remember Surah Al-Alaq. When I study math, I learn honesty and patience. I learn to come carefully and not cheat. When I study science, I learn about Allah's creation. I see the sky, the sea of the minting, and the living things around me. Allah says in the Quran, "Are those who know equal to those who do not know?" This verse is from Surah Az-Zumar, verse 9. One day at school, my friend could not understand the lesson. He looked sad and confused. I want to go home and rest. But I remember what my teacher said. I stayed and helped my friend slowly. I explained the lesson again and again. My friends smiled and said thank you. At that moment, I felt happy in my heart. I realized that sharing knowledge is also a good deed. Allah loves people who share goodness. At home, my mother reminded me of another verse. Allah will raise those who have believed and those who have knowledge in the grace. Now, I study not only for exam, I study to become a better person. I want to help my family and my community. I want to bring a good change to the meeting. I believe that a good character can change lives. Learning is not a burden. Learning is worship. With faith, knowledge, and good deeds, we can make Suminjing and the world a better place. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye everyone.